What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Let's get this vlog started, and the giveaway winner will be announced in this video. What's up, guys? At the end of the video, the giveaway winner will be announced. Right now, kind of just chilling, but yeah. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm about to go outside because I was just on my mini bike and it did something, so I gotta go fix it. But yeah, let's go fix it. Okay, well, we've got to tighten down a couple things on it, and then I've got to do something to the carbon. Okay, there we go. Everything looks nice and spiffy now. Besides that, that's a little dirty. But, yeah, that's gonna be fixed. So let's see if this puppy will start. Okay, let's get this. Got the key. Let me go grab this real quick. I broke the end piece to the bike, so it hurts to pull. So I gotta get a new one. Okay, one. Let's see if I can start it just by choke off. Nah. I'm pretty sure it'll start. Ouch. Not starting yet. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Okay, we're just gonna try and fill the bike up now. I have no other clue what to do. So, yeah. I'm kind of hoping this works. Because I've been trying to work on it for 10 minutes and it's not starting. Pretty sure that's enough, considering it's pretty much a full tank. Okay, let's try and start this bad boy. God. Okay, thinks he's ready to go, I hope. Give him a little bit of throttle. God, man. I'll come back when I get it started and or close. Okay guys, I've left the bike alone for a good 2 minutes. And I think if I turn the choke off, it'll start. But we're gonna find out right now. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna hit the throttle, but let's go. How about we go for a little bit of a ride? What's up guys? I haven't picked up the camera a lot today, but yeah, just kind of chilled and rode mini bike and hung out with some friends. But yeah, the winner of the giveaway is Skulls with a ZXXX. And also guys, stay updated on the channel, because if he doesn't respond to me messaging him within 48 hours, I'm going to do another video and pick someone else. And I didn't really pick anybody. It was just a random thing from my sub thing. Whatever. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Cue the outro. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.